Welcome back to the channel, everyone.
Hello.
Today we are going to learn how to say the different sports in Japanese.
Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
What is sports in Japanese?
So sports is basically the same way as saying like sports. Sports is English way of saying sport.
Okay. Alright, so what is boxing in Japanese?
Boxing is boxing.
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 Boxing, yeah.
Okay, what is baseball?
Baseball is yakyuu.
Yakyuu. Yakyuu. What is badminton?
It's badominton.
Badominton. Badominton. That's how my students pronounce it. Badominton.
Badminton.
What is basketball in Japanese?
So it's basketball.
Basketball.
That's good.
What is cricket in Japanese?
Cricket is kuriketto.
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 Kuriketto. What is table tennis?
Table tennis is takkyuu.
Takkyuu. Takkyuu. What is tennis in Japanese?
Tennis is tennis.
Tennis. Okay, same. What is football?
Football. So basically, if you say football in Japan, like Japanese people imagine like American football, like not soccer.
Okay.
It's football is like American football.
Okay, so it's saying football. Okay,
It
and
means American football.
okay, and what is soccer in Japanese?
So soccer is soccer, the the sport like kicking like balls. That's soccer.
Okay, what is volleyball?
Volleyball is volleyball.
Volleyball. What is golf? Golf.
Golf is goruhu.
Golf.
Goruhu.
Golf.
That's
Golf.
good. Golf.
Okay, what is rugby?
It's rugby.
What?
Rugby. Rugby.
Rugby.
Yes, that's good.
Rugby.
Rugby.
Okay, what is karate?
Karate is karate.
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 Okay, so I guess that's a Japanese word.
That's that's Japanese word. So
What is hockey?
hockey is hokke.
Okay.
Hokke.
Hockey. Horse racing.
It's joba.
Joba. Joba. Swimming.
Swimming is we can either say swimming or suiei.
CA.
Suiei.
CA. Okay, and what is cheerleading?
Cheerleading, yeah, that's the same thing. Cheerleading.
Okay. And judo and kendo is Japanese.
Yeah, that's Japanese word, so it's the same thing. Judo and kendo.
Okay. How do you say what sport do you like?
So what sports do you like is どんなスポーツが好きですか?
I like Oh, there's no track and field there. Or could I leave out my favorite sport?
Which one?
Track and field.
Track and field. Okay. 私は So if you want to say okay, track and field is 陸上 in Japanese. Yeah, that's good. 陸上. That's good.
陸上.
私は陸上が好きです。Or you can say 私はサッカーが好きです。私はバスケットボールが好きです。
So how do you say what sport is popular in Japan?
So どんな、スポーツが有名ですか? Or you should say 人気ですか is better way to say.
人気ですか? So is it どんなスポーツが人気ですか? I learn better when I'm looking at the words than trying to remember. What sport is popular in Japan?
It's soccer.
Soccer.
So サッカーが人気です。
Ga.
Mhm.
Is that a word by itself or is it added
Ga
to?
is like is.
Okay.
So like if you don't say like a ga, it's right sound like like in English like soccer famous. So right, people can understand, but you should put like is. So soccer is popular. So サッカーが人気です。
Ga. Sakka ga. Ninki desu. Okay, so what sports do you play?
どのスポーツをしますか？
What is O?
O is kind of like it's like the same thing as ga, but it's like this is
A
the
different context.
different context. So like people use like O this in this sentence.
Okay, so don't know.
どのスポーツを
O
しますか？
shimasu ka. Okay, so I play I play basketball.
バスケットボールをします。
So can you say watashi wa basketball o shimasu?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I think that's it for this lesson. So until next time. Bye.
Bye.